Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Charity Peter. This is a medium I've created to reach out to our kids during this lockdown period, and it will also serve after the lockdown for continuous learning. So I'll be doing so many things ranging from phonics, English grammar, mathematics, and so on. Now my target pupils will be for the lower primary, that's basic 1 and 2. Those in primary 1 and 2, these are the people I'm targeting this teaching for. But I am sure other levels of primary will also benefit from this. So without wasting much time, I want to go into today's business. Now today I'll be teaching phonics. I'll be teaching English phonics. Now what is phonics all about? Phonics is the study of sound, the English sound. Yes, it's the study of the English sound. Now this definition is just for the level of the primary kids pupils. Phonics is all about helping the kids in their reading. So today under the phonics I'll be teaching diagraphs. I'll be teaching diagraphs. Now diagraphs is the combination of the letter sounds to give another sound. It is the combination of the letter sound. Examples of the letter sounds are a, ba, ka, da, and so on. Now when I combine these letter sounds together, it gives me a particular sound. This letter sound gives me a particular sound. Now I'm going to put few of those diagraphs on the board. We have this. Now this is what we call O. So this diagraph is called O. This is O. O as in B. Oat. Boat. Can you see this? B. Oat. Boat. K. Oat. Coat. So remember I said the diagraph is O. O, B, oat, K, oat, coat, Flo, oat, float, G, oat, goat, etc. So you can think of other words that has this diagraph and you blend it, you can add other letter sound to produce the word. Now another of this diagraph is this. We have so many of them, but in today's class I'll be taking just few of the diagraphs. This is ow. Yes, say it. Ow. It is called ow. This diagraph is called ow. Ow as in pound. 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 Found. Found. Sound. 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 Now let's run it through. This first one is O. This diagraph is called O. This is ow. When you say O and U together, you pronounce it as ow. This is ow. Ow as in pound. Found. Sound. Proud. 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 And so on. Now you can think of all the words that have this sound. Ow. Now the next diagraph is this. The next one we'll be looking at is A. Can you say it after me? A. This is called A. Now A, we have, when I write this letter sound on the board, what letter sound is this? This is P. This letter sound is called P. And this is A. When I add a N to it, what will it give me? Pain. 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 Gain. A sound also comes in other variants like AY. AY also sounds A. AY also sounds A, as in pay, pay, say, etc. So we can think of all the words. Now, if you know the sound, reading, if you know the diagrams, reading will be way easier. It will be so easy that in the next 1 week, you can read. If only you know your diagrams. Now, in the next class, I think I will have to go back to teaching you the later sound, because I guess most of you don't know the later sounds. But let's start here today. In the next class, I'll connect it by going back to writing the later sounds out. Now, let's take another of the diagram. Remember, I said A comes in different variants like this. This is A. You also have A in AY. Pain, gain, say, paid, pay, say, etc. You can mention others. Now, another one is this. This is also a diagram. This is oil. Oil. Yes, say it. Oil. Oil as in oil. Soil. Oil. Boil. Oil. Remember, just as the AI has a variant in AY, the oil also has its variant in OY. It has different variants, and one of it is what? OY, as in boy. So it must not necessarily be words that has OI. Words that ends with OY also, they are all what? They are all pronounced as oil. Soil, boil, boy, toy, foil, foil, etc. You can think of other words that have what? The I sound. Other words that have what? The I sound. Now for today's class, I'm going to take, I think, let's take 2 more diagrams, then we'll end it for today. Ch. What did I say this is? This is called ch. Ch as in chair. Chair. Ch as in chair. Church. Ch as in church. Church. Ch as in church. Chain. Ch as in chain. I have munch. Munch. Ch, munch. So when you see a word that starts with CH, remember the sound is what? Ch. The sound is ch. But there are cases where the word might start with CH, but it has other sound like sh. It might not necessarily be what? Ch. It might not necessarily be ch. Now, the last diagram we're taking for today is sh. What did I call this? This is sh. Sh as in sheep. Sheep. Sh as in sheep. Fish. 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 Sharp. Sh as in sharp. And can you give me another example? Yes, another example from you. We also have sheep. I'm sure you know the difference between this sheep and this sheep, right? Now, this sheep is an animal, while this sheep is a medium of transportation, the ship on the sea. Good. So you can see when a word starts with sh, sh, the sound is sh. You know, I was saying something earlier about this sound. I said in some cases it doesn't sound as ch. It can take the sound sh. But in the cases like machine, Machine. Let me write it somewhere here. Machine. You can see the sound here is not machine. It's called machine, right? Good. Though some people call it machine, but more what we're used to in this part of the world is machine, right? Good. So these are few of the diagrams. Now I said this is what? OA sounds O. O. OU sounds ow. It sounds ow. AY sounds A. AY sounds A. And I said A has a variant. AY also sounds what? A. Oi. This is oi. OI sounds oi. Now we don't even call it OI. Let's call it the later name now. Sorry, the later sound. O and E. Oi. You can see this. This is oi. It also has its variant in OY. Now we have ch. 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 Also have sh. Sh. Okay. So I'm sure you've been able to learn something interesting today. Our topic I said is phonics. Let's run it through one more time. This is O. This sound here, this diagram is called O. This is ow. Ow. A. This is A. And I said A has two variants. We have the AI and the one that has AY. You can see pain and you can see this other one, pay. Yes, pay. Now this other sound is pronounced oi. Oi. O and E gives you oi. O and E gives you oi. Oi also has a variant in OY, as in boy and toy. You can see boy ends with OY, toy also ends with OY. So when you're spelling your toy, don't write it as TOI. No. Toy is spelled TOY. Now this is ch. This is called ch. That sound here is called ch, as in chair. As in chair. And this is sh. This sound is sh, as in sheep. Now I told you that this sound ch here, it doesn't apply in all cases. You can have a word that has CH in its spelling. It's not pronounced as ch. It can take the sound of sh. Example of such words, you have machine. And I told you some people call it machine, but in this part of the world where we are now, it is known as what? Machine. It is pronounced machine. So thank you very much for listening to me. So I hope to see you in a subsequent video. And if you're visiting my channel for the very first time, do well to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. Bye.